This property is unlike any others in Novato that I've seen. The lot was hand-selected by the engineer owner, and it's perched at the top of the hills with incredible views in every direction, and you get a level lawn, and it's at the end of a cul-de-sac. The house is beautifully constructed, an ideal location just a short distance to the freeway, amazing schools, shopping, everything you need is right here at 32 Oakview Court. All right, so what we have here is a 4-bed, 2.5 bath layout. Most of the living space is right here on the main level, including the primary bedroom and bathroom. So to my left, we have the formal living room. And in the distance, you see there's total privacy and a view of Mount Burdell framed perfectly through this window. And as we move over to the dining room, everyone needs a formal dining room. Come on, families still need to eat together, folks. This side of the house takes in southern light all day, and you also have views over Ignacio Valley to this side, and it flows right into the kitchen, which is perfect for entertaining. The kitchen here is the heart of the home, as it should be, so the lucky buyer of this home will spend a ton of time in this space. What I love about it is the high ceilings, a ton of natural light, and that it flows to the outdoor spaces. Not to mention you have Ignacio Valley as your backdrop in the distance. It also flows easily into the family room, which I like. So this is probably where you'd be spending most of your time between these two rooms. And this is my favorite room in the house, mainly because you get this indoor-outdoor kind of flow. Imagine spending your summers here, come inside, hang out, watch the game, come out here for cocktails in the evening. And in the wintertime, you got your own little fireplace here. Also, you'll notice throughout this top floor, we have nice brand new engineered wide plank hardwood floors. Downstairs is all new carpet as well. So let's go check out the primary. As I mentioned earlier, the primary bedroom is also on this main level, which is really nice. So this room is expansive, well lit. It has north-facing views. You also have 2 big closets, one here, one over here. And there is a deck off the back side here. I don't know if I've mentioned views yet, but this one also has incredible views with Mount Burdell and the rolling hills in the distance. It's incredible. And moving on to the primary suite bathroom, we have all new tile, vanity, beautiful tub. I gotta say one more time, the view is perfectly framed from this bathtub. Oh, and real quick, let me show you this half bath on the main level as well. Right in the heart of the home, beautifully updated, right where it needs to be. And if I haven't lost your attention yet, I'm gonna wrap up real quickly here and show you on the bottom level, we have 3 bedrooms. This one is currently staged as an office, could be a bedroom. Here's another bedroom, number 2 right here downstairs. And down the hall, let me show you the final bedroom and bathroom. 3rd bedroom, we also have laundry on this level and a full bathroom. So I'm not kidding when I say that this is one of the most magical settings that I've seen here in Novato. And if you'd like to learn more, drop the words "dream home" down below and I'll send you some more info.